Okay, so we're gonna make kimchi today. I have already pre-cut all of my cabbage up. I'm using Savoy cabbage because I personally like the texture of it a lot better than white cabbage. You know, sometimes you can use Napa cabbage or Chinese leaf cabbage. So I'm gonna rub salt all over the cabbage. So the salt is used to draw the moisture out of the cabbage, which is the moisture that's gonna sort of help it ferment, according to people on the internet. And this is gonna sit for 2 hours, but I'm gonna massage it every half an hour, making sure the salt is penetrating the veg. And to this lovely kimchi, we're gonna add some scallions and some chives and some radish, just to speed up the radish chopping process. I'm just gonna put them in the food processor and grate it finely. For the kimchi, I'm gonna be using something called shrimp paste. I ordered this from Amazon. You can get it from grocery stores. I did see it on Waitrose.com. If you have a hard time finding it, maybe check out the local Asian grocery store. That would probably carry it. I'm not really sure who this guy is on the front, but he looks cool. And then I bought some gochugaru red pepper paste. If you can find the Korean gochugaru peppers, dried or powder, that would work just as well. We're also gonna make a paste with some garlic here. There's probably like 5 or 6, maybe 7 cloves of garlic there, as well as a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put these two things in a food processor together with some sugar, and it's gonna waz up into a paste. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, so now we're mixing this ginger and garlic with the shrimp paste and the red pepper paste. Now we're gonna put all of the other vegetable ingredients. So this is the chives and the scallions or green onions, radish, and then this is where we put in the pepper paste. I only have one measly glove, so I'm gonna try to mix all of this with just one hand. We're gonna mix this all together, and then we're gonna put it into jars. In an ideal world, we would have a giant jar for all of this to ferment together, but we don't. So we're just gonna make do. All right, ready?
The one-handed mix.
Oh, I forgot to add the fish sauce. That's good enough. So now I'm gonna put it into jars. This is always gonna be a bit messy. The kimchi has been fermenting for 6 days. It's supposed to be like bubbling up at this point. I'm just gonna pop it open and give it a whiff. Oh. Very, very pungent. Fermented, really good probiotic, tastes amazing. It'll last up to 3 months in the fridge. Dead simple, easy to make, kimchi. Delish.